This will be a porta potty review here on new homes being constructed here just outside of Durham, North Carolina. In fact, this entire street has been expanded, new homes coming in. Looks like this one porta potty here they're using for these two homes. Got them framed. It's like they got the new green material here. Looks like an extension to an existing neighborhood. So this is a forever clean. Let's go in. Oh, they got a padlock. Looks like they put a padlock here. And it's very warm. And yes, it does. They definitely got that worded correctly. A couple other bad words, and we have some really bad pictures here. And more bad pictures. Looks like the vent grate is broke out here. It's just full of bad words. All kind of graffiti. The urinal is horrible. We got some toilet paper here. Don't see anything in there, but it sure smells bad. Not going to stay in here very long. Not that I would anyway. No toilet paper here. Looks like all what I saw is that big spool. And we have more words everywhere. No clean date on here. This is a Satellite Industries. Looks like. And that's some more bad words. The hand soap is gone. Let's go check the outside out. Sitting on skids here, a little bit crooked. Interesting, they got a padlock. They must lock this at night. Very nice looking home. I definitely give this a low thumbs here. It smells awful, and they had the words in there to describe what it smells like. New home construction here. And they're progressing these along pretty well.